Okay. Good progress. Okay, again, double angle. The reason why they call double angle is because the two next to the angle, right? The first one is sine 2 theta. That's equal to two sides of the cosine theta. Cosine 2 theta has three different identities. They're all related to each other. You just move things around. You can say things. All right, so make sure you know all three of them. And then tangent is tan 2 theta over 1 minus tan squared theta. Good? Okay, here's an example. If you're given cosine theta is 8 over 17, find the value of cosine 2 theta. I'm going to tell you, a lot of kids do this. Oh, I know this. They go, cosine 2 theta, I know, is going to equal to 2 times 8 over 17. All right? That's not correct. Okay? This is the angle. 8 over 17 is not an angle. It's just a number. That's why you can't do it that way. You got to use the identities to solve this, okay? So make sure you don't say 2 times that. So how do we solve this? Well, we go, this is cosine 2 theta. I go over here now. I got to figure out now which identity is the best one to use. You can use any one of them. Somebody may require more work, but you want to find one that gives you the least work to do. So if you have if you're given cosine theta is equal to 8 over 17, right? Cosine is that, and you want to find cosine 2 theta. Which one do you think is the best one to use? Just by looking at it. You can use any one, but which one is the best one? Easy one to use. Why is the last one? There you go. I could use the second one here, but I would find sine, right? Sine is not given. See that? And to find sine now, if you want to find sine theta, you would have to do the right triangle thing, right? That's my angle. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. You got to find this side with a positive theorem. And once you get this number now, sine will be this side over hypotenuse. Okay, you use the second one. Good. You're getting cosine, therefore I'm going to use the third one. Okay. You want a calculator? No calculator. Keep them together. Somebody has one calculator? I'm missing one. Oh, it's right here. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 9. Funny. So what if we funny? Change out my values on calculator next week. One is China, no, Chinese, then I don't know what. I can fix them. Okay, go back and All right. Okay, here we go now. So let's solve this real quick. So we're going to use the third identity for cosine 2 theta, and that's equal to 2 times cosine squared. Cosine is 8 over 17, but it is square, right? So let's square this minus 1. Everybody see that? No? Yeah, from this right here. It's 2 times cosine squared, right? Cosine is over 17, but it's squared, right? So you got square that over 17 minus 1. Put it in the calculator and tell me what you get. You got it? No, that's cosine fine. Yeah, cosine fine, sine. Yes, sir. You got it? What do you got? Yes, negative 61, 2 times, yes. What is it over?
Negative 161 over 289.
Yeah. Which is negative 161 over 289. Ready? Pretty straightforward, guys. Just plug and play. Plug in that number. All right. Okay, let's look at number 2. You're given sine theta now is equal to negative 1/3. And you want to find cosine two theta. Which one will you use? The second one. Yeah, exactly. Huh? So go ahead and put it between cosine two theta now. Going to equal to 2, right? Negative 1/3 square minus 1. Negative 7/9. Can someone verify that to me? Anybody else got negative 7/9? Yeah, negative.
How would it be like different from the question number one that we did?
Because in number one, you're given, here you're given sine, right? In number one, you're given cosine. That's why we use this one for the first one.
Yeah, but I'm not seeing the difference between what the budget and the budget.
The answer will be different.
No, but she's asking why. Because you see how the formula starts with 1 minus 2 cosine, and you put 2, and then you put the sign, and then you put the.
Oh, what I do? Okay.
Like you-
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. It's, I'm sorry. One. Okay. 1 minus. Thank you.
I was just wondering why.
No, you're good. Thanks for correcting me on that one. Is that the same answer?
I mean 5/3.
Okay. Everybody follow 3. What? 1.
I was.
I got to vote on that.
Yes, that over nine.
Double that.
Vote over nine.
Okay. Everybody else got that one? Okay. Got it. So that's right. Okay. Got it. All right. Sorry about that. All right. Yes. Kind of missed it. All right. Okay. Number 3. Tan 2 theta now. Tan 2 theta. This one, this is straightforward. Just plug in the number into the formula. All right. So tan 2 theta is going to equal to 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta. And you're given that that's what tan theta is equal to. Huh? Just plug in the formula now.
So you were just putting it
Yeah, and we're receiving tan now, you put square root of 2. So that gives you 2 times square root of 3 over 2 over 1 minus. Everybody see that? Finish the rest. That is leave that blank. The fraction square. Yeah. 0.97. I think that's all right. Everybody get 0.97? 6.9. Good. 0.9, is that the general consensus, 6.9? All right, good. All right, so these are pretty easy, right, guys? Just, all right. Number 4 now. Hey, look at number 4. This time you want to find sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta. And you're given cosine. Use the first one. What's that first one? What do you mean the first one?
Sine equals 2 sine.
Exactly. That's the one you're going to use, right? So sine 2 theta Okay, when you're given cosine theta, what must you find?
Sine.
Gotta find sine. How do you find sine now? I showed you the first one, just started. You do the triangle method, right? Find either the right triangle. So the right triangle now. Okay. Make that my angle. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so 20/29. Let me find that side. Okay, you just find it there to find that side. You guys are well versed in Pythagorean theorem by now. Well versed.
The edge is the opposite.
Yes, opposite side. So we're gonna have 29 squared is gonna equal to 29 squared is gonna equal to 20 squared plus x squared. 29 squared minus 20 squared is equal to x squared. All right, somebody said something? Yeah, getting right there. So therefore, x now, I take square of both sides. X is equal to the square root of 29 squared minus 20 squared, and that gives you what? 21. And this side is 21. Now I have the opposite side. Now I can find sine. So what is sine equals to? Somebody tell me what is sine equal to? 21 over. I'm confused. Did I make a mistake? Exactly. Sine now is going to equal to 21 over 29. Cosine is given. We just found sine. Now, and you want to see there? That was given. Cosine is adjacent. That's cosine. Cosine is adjacent of hypotenuse. So this is the this is the adjacent side. That's the hypotenuse, right? Remember, cosine is adjacent. So you just put a triangle and you find that side. All right, so now we have sine. Find sine theta now. So sine, I can give me now 2 times sine, which is 21 over 29, times the cosine, which is given 20 over 29. Okay, first control enter and give me a decimal. 0.99, which is approximately 0.99. I'll just one minute. So make sure you know to find. If you're given one trig function, you can find another one. Make sure you know the right triangle, plug in the values, find the perfect size, and then find the missing side. Right? That's just basic. Let's go back to algebra 1. All right. Everybody gonna pull so far. Lock, good. All right. Here comes the fun part now, guys. The fun part. Oh no, Ruben. That's Bob. Oh yeah. All right. It's not hard, guys. Watch this.
You always say that, so you're the teacher.
No, it's not.
You're the teacher.
Hey, that's what we took higher calculus too.
Right. Okay. All right. Listen up, guys. Listen up. This is a trick to this right here. Watch this. This, if you use my technique, you will get this. Watch this. When it comes to double angle, right? If there's a one next to double angles, you're gonna try and cancel out one. So you gotta figure out now, which double angle can I use for cosine 2 theta, right? That would cancel this one. Look at those three you have on your paper. Which one can I substitute for cosine 2 theta, allow me to cancel out one? So like the third one, right? That gives me now 1 plus 2 cosine squared theta minus. See now? No, that one is gone. You don't see that? What is 1 minus 1? 0. That's cancel out. Over 2 sine squared theta cos over 2 sine theta cosine squared theta. Now this is gone. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, the identity on the paper. What is cosine 2 equals to this? Cosine, look at the paper. What is it equal to? The third one. I just replace it with that. And that allows me to, the minus 1 allows me to cancel the 1 here. Right? Need to replace it. Yeah. So now I have 2. Now I have 2 cosine squared theta over 2 sine theta cosine squared theta. What does that equal to? Oh. What that equal? On, yeah, what cancels out? What stage? Say again? Okay, that's gone. What else is gone? That's gone.
So it's not.
Not sine. That's in the bottom, right? It's gonna be 1 over sine, which is equal to what? Cosecant theta. The goal is, so when we do double angle, mostly I'm gonna give you one with a 1 plus. You have to figure out which one am I gonna use to cancel one. All right, let's try another one. Look at number 2. Same thing now. I have a 1 next to that double angle. Which double angle am I going to use? Which identity am I going to use to cosine 2 theta that's that 1? The first one has what? Read the first one. The first. That's minus sine squared there. Is that other than to cancel 1? The third one, let's see. Okay, let's see. Oh, I have it right here. Okay, so let's see if I use the third one now. Sine theta over times cosine theta. Agree? That's over 1 minus. You take the third one right here. Is that what you said? Okay, let's do that. 1 minus 2 cosine squared theta minus 1. Good. Let's remove the parentheses now. What do I get? 1 minus 2 cosine squared theta.
Plus 1.
Is that going to cancel the 1 now?
No.
So I can't do that 1. So which one do you think I should use? The middle one. What messes up now is the minus sign right here. The minus sign makes this -1 positive. See that? You gotta be careful. All right. So therefore, I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use the second one, which is 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. Good. And now, when I remove the parentheses, now what do I get? Sine on top, still sine theta cosine theta over 1 Come on to the right. Plus two sine, right? Plus two sine square theta. Now the one cancels out. Exactly. What that cancels out?
Oh, the sun.
Once that gives me one side the bottom, right? Agree? So what am I left with no overall? Cosine theta over 2 sine theta. And what's that equal to? Oh no, what is cosine sine? Cotangent. Everybody see that? Huh? It's sine squared. So once, so that is doing one sine still. Good. So now cosine of sine is cotangent. That gives me 1/2 cotangent. I would like you guys to try the last one, number 3. When I scratch out, try number 3. Because the minus sign is for the parentheses. So everything inside the parentheses flip the sign flips now to the 1 now because of the -1 and -2 is the positive. Yeah, they become 1 minus 1 now. See? This minus sign makes this become a -1, that's right here, and it becomes -2 because of positive. So this one now, 1 minus 1 cancels out.
So you just bring down that one?
Which, this one here? Yeah, you stuff, yes. Okay, try number 3, guys, real quick. Got it?
In the bottom, right there, you get rid of that one. And then you're left with that. You cosine theta. On your side square. Cosine square.
Exactly. All right, try number 3, guys. Real quick, number 3. I have one person, number 3. You got number 3?
I got stuck at a certain part. I'm trying to see like those and where I went to with this.
All right, tell me, okay, what would you do with number 3?
So I canceled the one, got left with cosine squared theater, but I don't know where to do with the sign.
Yes, you do. Go back here and you double and do it. What's the first one in left? Sine theta was that equal to?
Oh, sign equals Q sign. Okay. Alright. See, I didn't know we could do like 2 at the same time. Okay, that helps.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
all right, cool.
That's sorry.
So real quick before the bell goes off, sine 2 theta rose, this is gonna be 2 sine theta cosine theta, good? And then you recognize now, I gotta cancel this one right here. So guess I'm gonna use one plus cosine squared. Two cosine squared theta minus one. Okay? Alright, the one goes away. Now I'm left with two sine theta cosine theta over square. Two cosine squared theta. And that you can simplify, right?
So what should we sign?
We're using this one here. So let's see. Cosine, this is cosine squared. So I'm gonna have a cosine left in the bottom. So that gives me what? Which is sine or cosine, which gives me. Okay. Go back and make sure you understand this stuff, right? As I told my classes, I'm gonna put a little worksheet that you guys get more practice on. And then Tuesday, we start to do it. Monday is new material. That will not be on the.
Original one.
Let me check your canvas. I'm not sure where I'm gonna find it. Check your canvas.